Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I will be showing you how to assemble this dish rack. Alright, first thing you do is standoffs. Just insert it. I think they're all the same size. It should fit perfectly in there. There's a little bit of rubber here. A little bit of rubber. Maybe hope it stop prevent it from moving. So you see over here, it's higher up. There we go. Okay, next step is the spout. Just clips on, nice and tight for the most part. And then you kind of yank it out if not. The next step, you extend it. So it's at the angle, so as water goes in here, it's gonna drip down. Okay, from here, you see, it goes like this. You hold up, look at the image. I'm not sure which way it faces. It's higher up. Let's say wires are closer to you. Okay. All the dishes on this side. I'll be facing on the left side of the counter. And then it goes order like so. You put the dishes here, and you put whatever here. And we have this here. You just put this like this. Put your utensils and your cups here. And there you go. Make sure this spout goes out to your sink. And that is it. You have assembled this dish rack. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.